boss. Good afternoon.
Ay, beautiful. Buhay ulit si Mali.
Nabuhay ulit.
Oh, na kayo.
A historically important zoological specimen that has been part of our lives of many generations of Filipinos. At the heart of this celebration, we would say that this is something truly special because this event is collaborative and devolved between the National Museum of the Philippines, the local government of Manila, and the Manila Zoo. But before we share the big story, please allow us to acknowledge first our distinguished guests, colleagues, and partners who are here today. Starting from the National Museum of the Philippines, the NMP Board Chairperson, Mr. Andoni M. Abutis. The Director General of the NMP, Jeremy Barnes. The Deputy Director General for Museums, Arvin Manuel Villalon. The Deputy Director for Administration, Attorney Rosel Flores Avila.
Paki-space lang po dito. Kasi
The Director 2 of the National Museum of
ano na
Natural
ceremony
History,
mamaya.
Mrs.
Baka ho kasi
Marlene
matanggal.
Manuel
Ang
Sanchez.
impact na ho siya.
The Director 2s of the different cluster of the National Museum, and to all of our colleagues for the National Museum of the Philippines. We are also extending our warmest welcome to the people from the City of Manila and Manila Zoo. Honorable Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso, Honorable Vice Mayor Angela Leiji Atienza, Acting Assistant Director Dr. Henrich Patrick C. Domingo, OIC of the Department of Tourism and Cultural Arts of Manila, Ms. Cristal Bagachi. We also have the Councilor from the City of Manila. And to all our guests here, we are very happy to see you and thank you for joining us today. And now, this is the time to get big. To formally welcome everyone, may we invite the Director General of the National Museum of the Philippines, Jeremy Barnes, to deliver his message. Let's give him a warm round of applause.
Also, Vice Mayor G. Atienza, our good friends from the City of Manila, dear colleagues, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the National Museum of the Philippines, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the official opening of the Vishwa Maaling exhibition here at the National Museum of Natural History. We are especially honored to welcome our distinguished guests from the Manila City Government, headed by no less than our Mayor, from the Manila Zoo, our partner institutions, colleagues, friends, and members of the public who have joined us on this very meaningful occasion. I'm also delighted that we have in our midst our beloved chairman of our Board of Trustees, Mr. Antonio Abutis. So today we gather not only to unveil a new exhibition, but also to remember an elephant who became part of the lives of many generations of Filipinos. After her sad passing in November 2023, the National Museum was later
about her own life. Her story opens a door to a much larger conversation about wildlife and human actions from the very beginning. Her mother was taken from the wild while she was still young. Her mom depended on human care. And now, even after her death, the way we understand and remember her continues to be shaped by people. This reminds us of sometimes can determine the course of an animal's life. And on a march,
Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso.
Magandang tanghali po, hapon, at magandang panahon sa ating lahat dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. Because for the past so many days, we were challenged by our nature and the geographical location of the city of Manila. Before I continue, I'd like to share some science of it. Now we speak of science and culture and tradition. You know, Manila, they're about 3 to 4 inches below sea level. And comparatively, the geographical location of the city of Manila to our neighboring city, they are what you call the mas madaling maunawan uphill. So we are a downhill city. So even without the rain, water coming from the east will go down all the way to Metro Manila, and it will land in the city of Manila. And on the west, there is what you call Manila Bay. And there are 2 types of level during daytime or every day, nighttime and daytime. So pagka talagang bumuhos ang ulan sa umaga, may daluyong ng tubig at sasalukin lahat ng Maynila at hindi mailalabas dala ng sinasalukin natin ang high tide ng Manila Bay. But we really try in our own little way as local government unit, despite of the challenges that we have faced for so many months now. Siguro hindi na kaila sa inyo yung mga balita. We are okay. I can honestly say, except for some like Calao, Avenida, United Nations Avenida, PG's Avenida, Lasal Avenida, and some portion of Espanya. The general situation of the city was through the effort of 896 barangay under Executive Order number 3 that we have done last July. Mukhang nagkakagana na. Nagiging epektibo na yung paglilinis sa mga tubo, imbornal na nakikita nyo araw-araw sa kanya-kanyang komunidad. And I give credit to the barangay officials and the city governments. So, bakit ko po yun ikinuwento? Mali died, and I was happy taxidermy, inayos siya. And when I became mayor again, visited Manila Zoo, I see some problems, minor at the time. And I know, alam ko na magiging endgame ni Mali kapag pinabayaan kung ganun na lamang siya, kusa siya na italaga sa bibig o entrada ng Manila Zoo. He will be exposed to heat and water damage. So that's why former Congressman Crystal Pagachin and sumalangit nawa ang kaluluwa ni Director Pio Morabe. Recently, the other day, he passed away. Sinabi ko sa kanila, ito walang bola, Jeremy, Arvin, Mr. Abuetes, wala itong bola. You give it to the National Museum. They are more capable of taking care of the asset of the city of Manila. Why we call Mali is an asset? Because, alam po ninyo, perfecto na po yung sinabi ni Jeremy at saka ni Alvin. Kudrado na. Tamang-tama po yung kanilang description. Nakahulaan nila yung damdamin namin sa pagpapalaga. But also, we as Manilans, we wanted to make our elders go back into memory lane. Because marami sa atin nakaranas na nakita si Mali ng buhay. At iba sa inyo, nabasa pa ng laway niya. Kasi sometimes si Mali may wood. Nagdudura yan. Kukuha ng tubig. Tapos papasayin. And these are life experience ng mga bata at the time at ngayon matatanda na. And I want to immortalize and continue to remind those individual na yung relasyon natin, experience natin, and the only way to do it is to give it to the better hand. And I believe with the capabilities, skills, and experience of National Museum, Mali today is in good hands. Kaya, thank you sa inyo. Chairman Anthony M. Abuitis, Director General Jeremy Barnes, Deputy Director General Arvin Manuel, and Deputy Director for Administration, Attorney Rosen, I hope I pronounce it right, Flores Avila, to the Director 2 of National Museum of Natural History, Mrs. Maribel Manuel Santos, and to the National Museum family, thank you very much on behalf of the people of Manila. Nakadadalawa na kami. One of our great treasure is under the management and care of National Museum. As you remember, the Botong Francisco, about a month ago, I signed the renewal of Botong Francisco to stay in the museum. Not until we, as government or local government, knows how to take care of these priceless artifacts or art. But for now, not until that day, gusto kong ipaalam sa mga taga-lungsod ng Maynila, ang isang yaman ng lungsod ay pinangangalagaan at iniingatan ng National Museum. So dalawa na, si Mali. Kaya nga minsan napapaisip akong bumili ulit ng elepante. At dalawa na ang bibiling ko. Ang papangalan ko pa rin si Mali, sana. Tapos yung pangalawa, si Posang. Mali, saka si Posang. But kidding aside, we cannot buy because it's not allowed. What we can do is to receive donation. But for the meantime, tinatawagan ko ang lahat ng mamamayan ng lungsod ng Maynila at ang mga taong dumadako sa Maynila or mga tao Pilipino na may karanasan at ala-ala kay Mali. Muli po ninyong masisilayan si Mali dito sa kanyang bagong tahanan sa National Museum. At pumanatag kayo, mga taga-lungsod ng Maynila, dahil nasa maayos na pangangalaga ang ating minamahal na si Mali. Again and again, if I may repeat it, Mali is in good hands. So again, the National Museum, thank you. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Malaking bagay ito sa aming mga batang Maynila. Malaking bagay ito magpapaalala uli sa bawat dadakong tao dito na maalala nila ang kanilang magandang karanasan. Ngayon naman, kung sakali, pagkatapos yung pumasyal sa National Museum, ay pumasyal din kayo sa Intramuros, sa Esplanade, sa Arroceros Park, or balik kayo sa Manila Zoo. Now, last, totoo na ang bagong kampanya sa turismo ng lungsod ng Maynila. Ang tawag natin, katulad ng tinuran ni Nick Joaquin sa kanyang libro, Manila, My Manila. Manila is my Manila. Manila is your Manila. Manila is everyone's Manila. Kaya dito, uli nila mararanasan ang mga bagay na yan. So sa inyo lahat, congratulations to the city official. Please, my fellow city government employees, palakpakan natin ang mga taga-national museum. And Leo Morabe will be smiling in heaven. Kasi isa siya sa mga ponente ko na mag-arrange ng lahat ng ito. Crystal, thank you very much sa iyo, Jeremy. So magandang araw po at pagpalain nawa kayo ng oh my God. Maraming salamat sa inyo na. Manila!
God bless.